my name's Jane. I'm an artist, and I'm going to show you how to draw an Asian dragon. Asian dragons are serpentine, so that means they look like snakes pretty much with legs. We're going to draw some lines for the structure here that we're going to eventually erase. So that's where the head's going to be, and then that's the curve of the body. All right, this is the head. It's a bulbous forehead right there, and then we're going to draw the eyeballs, which are also bulbous. They're circles with dots there. Here's the nostrils, semicircles, and the mouth going back like this. Little tiny ears. Let's draw a line there for the forehead. And we're going to draw a mustache. Some pointy teeth. And now we're going to do the body. He's got a lot of what looks like a lion's mane or spikes or whatever going around his head. Sort of a spiky beard too. And the belly comes down like this. I'm going to do the front paws here. So they're curved like so, and then there's claws. Here's the other one. Claws. And the lines of the belly. It's going back over here. And this is where the hind leg is. So this is going down here. Here's the paw curving in again. Claws. Going to draw another one going here. Let's erase this. And draw some U-shaped scales. And the tail curves around. Let's make it going like that. Gonna erase this. Okay, so here's the tip of the tail, and then you would just draw some spikes going down the back. And that's how you draw an Asian dragon.